Imagine walking into a room and people instantly respect you, without you even saying a word. How is that possible? The secret lies in your body language. Today, I'll reveal 6 powerful body language tricks that will make anyone respect you. The last one is a true game changer, so stick around. 1. Master personal space. Personal space is like an invisible armor of respect and confidence. Get too close and you risk invading someone's territory, making them uneasy. Stand too far and you create a wall of detachment. Nail the right distance, and you'll instantly command respect. Imagine you're in a one-on-one business meeting. Instead of leaning into their space, you stand a comfortable 3 feet away, ensuring both of you can talk without feeling crowded. This subtle spatial awareness tells them you're confident, respectful, and fully in control. Be a master of observation. If someone shifts back slightly, take the cue and adjust your position. It's not about being submissive, but showing emotional intelligence. Respecting boundaries earns trust and elevates your presence. 2. The power handshake. A handshake is more than a greeting. It's your first move in the game of respect. A limp handshake screams insecurity, while a bone crusher comes off as aggressive. A firm handshake is a power play. When meeting a CEO or potential partner, extend your hand with purpose. Grip firmly, not too tight, and lock eyes for a brief but impactful moment. Top it off with a confident smile, and you've already won half the battle. Practice until your handshake says, "I'm strong, composed, and trustworthy." That single gesture can set the tone for how others perceive you. 3. The head tilt of interest. This simple move says, "I'm here, and I'm listening." A slight tilt of the head shows interest without making you appear overly submissive. Imagine you're in a team meeting. A colleague is pitching an idea. You lean forward, tilt your head slightly, and give a slow nod as they speak. That gesture alone tells them you value their input, and people respect those who make them feel heard. Don't overdo it. Alternate between the tilt and a neutral position to keep authority while still being approachable. 4. Feet that ground you. Your feet are your foundation. If they're restless or unsure, you send the same message. Stand firm, and you become unshakable. During a high-stakes presentation, instead of pacing nervously, you stand tall with your feet planted shoulder-width apart. This stance projects stability and authority. Every movement from this grounded position reinforces your control of the room. When anxiety creeps in, channel it through your feet. Press them firmly into the floor to anchor yourself. This calms your nerves and amplifies your commanding presence. 5. Move with purpose. There's power in pacing yourself. Rushed movements scream desperation. Slow, deliberate gestures radiate confidence and make people stop and take notice. At a networking event, don't dart to the nearest corner. Instead, stride in with purpose. Take measured steps. Greet people with a firm handshake and claim your space. Every move should say, "I belong here." Control comes from practice. Activities like Tai Chi or yoga can teach you to slow down and move with intention. Every gesture, every step, should feel like a deliberate statement of your self-assurance. 6. The power of silence. Words carry weight, but silence carries authority. Pausing in conversation or during a speech is one of the most underrated power moves. It shows you're thoughtful, unhurried, and completely in control. In the middle of a heated boardroom debate, everyone is talking over each other, but you take a deep breath, hold steady eye contact, and pause before speaking. The room cue. Poets. When you finally say your piece, every word lands with impact. Master this in presentations or negotiations. When delivering a key point, stop for a beat before and after. That pause forces people to hang on to your words, amplifying their significance. Final thoughts. Respect isn't demanded, it's earned, and your body language is the foundation of that respect. Master these subtle yet powerful gestures, and you'll not only gain respect from others, but also solidify your presence as someone worth listening to. Respect isn't something you can shortcut. It's something you earn through consistent effort, authenticity, and self-discipline. The way you live your life sets the tone for how others treat you. So focus on mastering your craft, standing firm on your principles, and respecting yourself and others. When you do, respect won't be something you chase. It will naturally gravitate toward you. If you're ready to join the 1% community and live a life of respect, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Together, we'll keep striving for greatness. See you soon.